it's not, this is sort of the most biomechanically efficient way, is to keep your body stacked and to move your whole body together and have all the motions internal as opposed to these external motions that you're correcting for and your partner feels. So we worked on that for a while, and then we started this pattern, these patterns. We did the rock step on the left. Okay, so we were talking about how to make the dance turn in place a little more and not make it so linear. And we did a rock step on the left, and I'm curving my body. We've done this before, but I'm curving my alignment to the left, and then curving my alignment to the right and bringing her to a forward ocho. So actually, without a partner, the lead looks like this. I'm curving my alignment to the left, then I reverse the alignment, take a back step, forward ocho, and she walks out. We both walk out. So here it is, curving to the left, I reverse it, she steps outside, forward ocho, and we can just repeat it. Curve, outside, and curve, outside. Then we did the left and the right, I think. So we talked about this little rock step where we can curve to the left, side step, and now I'm going to curve to the right, which is, I'm actually stepping in contra both times, and this time, this contra is actually going to take me outside. She's stepping in contra as well. So we're going left, or side, left, side, right, side, left, side, right, side, left, side, right, side, left, and then we can exit using the same exit. We can also just do the ocho cortado exit, which would be pretty clear from there. Ocho cortado exit, same thing. Then we added, we talked about using the sternum to lead, and we went to the same place where I'm going to step outside on my right, and now from here I'm going to actually lead Anita across me. She's going to take a side step followed by a forward step, and then she's going to close. Okay? So I'm going to step. I'm aligning my body to the right because I'm stepping outside. I'm creating space by going this way. And then as I bring her across, I'm turning my body to the left. And I just keep turning it, and she's going to finish those two steps, and we can walk out. So then we added the curving rock step to the left to the end of this little pattern we're doing. So what we have is, we do the rock step to the left, we do the rock step to the right, do the rock step to the left, and now here I'm going to walk forward. I'm going to do the pattern. I'm going to bring her across, forward. She finishes her ocho, and as she finishes her ocho, we're going to add the rock step to the left. So what it looks like is, step outside, curve to the left, she